Hello, my name is David Chaddick. I'm the owner of DMC Systems, and I'm making this video today to talk about these two things to my right and my left. What are they? Well, they're called Sentinels. The Sentinels are a product made by a company called Mobile Pro Systems, and what they are their mobile security and surveillance units. On each one of these, you can see we have cameras, strobe lights, motion detectors, and then here we have an alarm system. Now these are a little different from how they're normally set up from the manufacturer. We've done a few adjustments to them to give our particular customer a little bit more control over the system and a little bit more interactivity with the system. So what we added to these panels that's a little different than how they're normally set up through the manufacturer is by adding these two panels here, these alarm panels, which are the 2 gig GC3 alarm panels. These panels are powered by Alarm.com. We're an Alarm.com authorized dealer. So that gives the customer the ability to arm and disarm these systems remotely from their phone, from a phone app, from a computer, or from anywhere they are in the world. They can also set schedules, so these systems will automatically arm by themselves at a certain time of day or night. Additionally, they can automatically be set to disarm at a certain time of day or night. We've also added Alarm.com cameras to the system atop, and these are outfitted on all 4 sides of the system, along with the cameras on all four sides of these Sentinel units. These Alarm.com cameras also allow the customer to remotely view in and see what's going on in the locations where these units are placed. Internally, these systems have a battery backup so that they can run without power overnight. So if these are set on a construction site, which is the plan for their use with our particular client right now, if they're powered down, if there's no extension cord or power supply running to them, they will run off of the batteries inside of them overnight, so the customer doesn't have to worry about lost footage. They also internally have a Cradlepoint cellular modem. So the Cradlepoint cellular modem gives them the internet access so that they can view the cameras remotely without having to be connected to internet, without having to be connected to power. So the way these systems were originally configured, again, they did not have the alarm systems, the 2 gig alarm systems on the front, and they had a different type of camera affixed to them, and they also had a different type of a camera recording server inside. I believe the product that they came with was the exact camera server or recording server. That software is very clunky and not easy to use, so that's why we switched that out and went with the Alarm.com product. Inside of these, we also put Alarm.com's SVR, their streaming video recorder. Their streaming video recorder has a 2 terabyte hard drive, so not only are these cameras recording to the cloud through Alarm.com, they're also recording 24/7 locally with the 2 terabyte streaming video recorder internally on each of these units. For our particular client, these are going to go inside of not inside of a construction site, but inside of like a renovation of a property. So they're going to be secured in a way where there's no public access, but if somebody were to break into that particular renovation site, they would have the alarm system to trigger, and then they would also have the cameras to be able to see what's going on. Now, though these systems are movable, they're not easy to move. They are very heavy. These things are probably about 200 pounds a piece. You do need 2 people to move them, but it's nice because you can take them from one job site to another job site, which is what our client in this case is planning to do. They renovate multiple properties a year, and so while those properties are in a renovation, these are going to go inside, and when it's done, what we can do is these legs here flip up, makes them very convenient. They've got these rings around the top and the bottom, which the manufacturer calls halos, so that you can flip them over on their side. A couple people, you can transport them, load them into the van, and move them to the next job site. Another nice thing about these units is that they have GPS built into them. So anywhere they're at, myself or the customer can log in and see their location. So you don't have to worry so much about them getting stolen or or if they get moved around from job site to job site and you've lost track of where they've been located, they've got GPS built into them. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment down below, or you can give us a call if you're local in Las Vegas, 702-825-1978. You can also check out our website, www.dmcsystems.com. Thank you.